What is up, YouTube? I'm here with Cody Johnson. I'm Aaron with All3 Pools and ICF Guru, and got a cool announcement for this guy on his 23rd birthday. You guys know that a lot of you found me on YouTube because of some of our really cool pools, and some of those have won some really neat awards. We won with this pool here. We won in 2023. We won World of Concrete ICF pool. The next year, these two pools here, we won second and third. So in the first 2 years we ever entered, we won first, second, and third. Thought that was really cool. But it was becoming my dream. We've trained about 300 people to build pools. And I was really wanting some of my trainees to win some awards. So last year, Austin Mooneyham, you guys probably remember this, a pool that we actually shot the eco finish, but Austin built this awesome pool in Arkansas, and he won first place at World of Concrete in Las Vegas for his ICF pool down in Arkansas, the Ozark Vista pool. This year, this guy and our buddy Steve Griffith, who we did a training for down in Georgia a couple years ago, are both in the top three. We don't know what place yet. Both of them would encourage you to go to a website that's linked in the description and vote for them for the People's Choice Awards. But they are already in the top three in the nation. Cody built a beautiful pool in Rogersville, Missouri, and Steve's is down in Kingsland, Georgia. Steve's is super, super complex, and his is just sexy. I mean, what, 11 deck jets?
Yeah, 11 deck jets, 9 laminars. I mean, there's
insane amount of water features.
Plumbing there's a lot going on.
Yeah, his plumbing was ridiculous. So I just kind of wanted to announce that these guys have done it. They've absolutely killed it. And Cody's 23 years old, and him and his dad came to my training like 3 years ago. It was just before Eric and Pat came on board and really streamlined me, and I was still hair on fire all over the place. Didn't really know what I was doing other than just kind of spreading the word, and these guys stuck it out with me while I was figuring it out.
I mean, even with, in the very, very beginning, the training was monumentally less than it is today. Today it is so much more put together and like legit.
Organized.
Back in the day, I mean,
we covered a lot of ground.
As much as the crap you got to chew through, Aaron comes through every time for us, does everything he said he was going to do, and I mean, we're successful at the end of the day. So I mean, how much can you really complain?
I hope not much.
When the product turns out the way
absolutely, they're killing it, you know. And Cody, you guys remember Cody was actually in a video of mine early in the summer for a vinyl liner he did. So we're now getting to the point. We're doing a lot of the commercial pools in our city, and we've got, you know, Mike Battle, who you guys have seen, his new blue truck riding around. He's building pools for us, but a lot of times I'll call Cody. We had a vinyl liner, and the people were super nice, but I told them, I'm taking 2 pools. I got 3 I'm bidding on. The third one I'm not going to have time for, and they ended up being the third one, and she's like, I still really want a pool, and I'm like, I got a guy, and honestly, it went better than if it would have been us. We would have been spread too thin. He killed it. They loved him. And we're going to do that more and more. I mean, we're going to be handing pools to some of these guys because we know we can trust them. You know, they're not going to mess it up.
It worked out good. I mean, it's not like there's any contract to sign. He really did just kick us a job, and we built the whole pool, and that was it. And
I literally texted him, hey, here's a phone number. I already bid it. I know you're going to be safe at our number. Go knock it out.
I think we even bid it after you.
Yeah.
There was really no connection at all.
Right, exactly. It worked out good.
It went well.
So, yeah, guys, this is just kind of a fun video. As you know, when you're watching this, I'm in Dubai with FabForm working a show. So I wanted to make sure there was plenty of time for you to go vote. Steve would be right here with us too, but he lives in Georgia. But the Kingsland pool or this pool, whichever one you think's cool, vote for it. I know he's got a lot of friends that are going to be voting for his pool. I know Steve does too, but we love to see our guys get those accolades. They worked really hard for them, and they executed. They're awesome pools. So, Cody, I'm super proud of you. I got 2 18-year-olds working for me now that I really thought your generation was screwed, and I still think most of them are, but the ones with some motor are doing so stinking good. And this kid, I mean, I bought my first house when I was 23. He just turned 23 today, and he's already bought his house. He's beating me.
Yeah, no.
He's killing it.
He's not kidding. I really am standing here in this warehouse on my 23rd birthday. So, I mean, there's a little bit.
He's a punk kid, but he's getting it done. So guys, yeah, we have training coming up. I think our February training sold out almost. Like I think it's sold out. We may have to make a March training. We do have a rental training in December. I've already announced, but it's basically for people who have already been to training to come. We're retrofitting an old crappy cider creek pool with rental it. It's more of a marketing event for us, but guys who have been to training are welcome to attend. And then we got stuff coming up, January, February.
I mean, even if he says they're sold out, call him anyway.
Call Pat. You talk him into it. I'll let anybody come. But
but
guys, we'll see you next time.